I'm Ritika Aurora from India, and I've been a professional artist since I finished my mastery program in 2019. Today, we are working with gold leaf. Being from India, for me, gold has always been a sign of prosperity, and we love collecting gold and investing in gold. So I've made it a major part of my process, and I just love experimenting and playing around with gold and texture. So now I will be showing you my process, how I work with gold leaf. So I have a canvas prepped up to go with gold leaf, and I have a lot of textures here with modeling paste, bead gel, crackle paste, and all kind of textures that I could create, and just formed my own recipe to go along the way and feel my way through the textures. Just given a few acrylic washes using some fluid acrylics from Golden. For me, I've always felt that having a dark base is really good and brings up the gold a lot more. So now I'll be applying adhesive to places that I want the gold leaf to be, and again, I'm not really thinking a lot. There's nothing as a lot of gold, so I'm gonna apply it all over and see what the gold leaf has planned for us, because I really like how it can be, and it can just feel it way through it, and how it can come at places and be everywhere or nowhere. So it's just interesting. So I'm not applying it everywhere, but just covering most of it. I do like covering the patterns and etchings or this design in the gold texture, covering it with gold leaf. It just brings out the texture even more. So I'm covering that part and then a few other areas. And make sure you're using an old brush, and you don't want to ruin your brush using it. So using an old brush is always a good idea. Done applying the adhesive, and now we'll wait for a couple of minutes for it to dry before we start applying the gold leaf here. So now that the adhesive has been drying for a couple of minutes, I think we are ready to go, and I'll just apply the gold leaf now. I love working with my hands, but then I'll be brushing it off when I've just kind of felt my way through it. So we have all our gold leaf here, and look how interesting the textures look from above. And again, using the subtraction tool or this little tool, I'm going to etch a few things here, just a few patterns.
When I saw you in the morning light, I just held my place.
We are done with the gold leaf. I've applied it, and I'm pretty happy about how it looks now. So from here, either you can go still building layers with acrylics, or start straight with oils. But today, now I will be starting with oils, and I'll show you how it looks after the glazes, because I never like leaving my gold leaf just like that. The glazes always bring out the most. So here you can think about pushing and pulling, and just what you want in the front and what you want to go back, and use the cool colors and warm colors accordingly. So I'm using cool to push the background a little, and now I'll just be glazing with the warm color. Just using different colors, different transparents to bring out the colors more, and the gold and the texture. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me work with gold leaf and got to learn new technique or two. And I hope to see you working and applying those techniques in your process. Comment what the significance of gold means to you, and I would love to see you incorporate some of the techniques you learned today here.